What is going on again, everybody? Carl Seller again today, and I went and picked up a 4th and Goal blaster box from Walmart. I have yet to do the new 4th and Goal this year so far, so I figured why not go ahead and give this a shot. There's 8 total packs in here, and it says look for randomly inserted hobby packs, so there could be some hobby packs in here. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what we can pull. I don't think we're going to have as much luck as the Absolute Blaster, but we'll see. You never know. Maybe we could get a hobby pack out of here and pull something nice. Let's go ahead and get this open. And it is a little windy, guys, so sorry you guys can hear the wind. If I can actually get this open. Come on. There we go. Finally ripped. Alright, let's go ahead and open this up and see what packs we get. Alright, we got a total of 8 packs. We got two 2015 Elite Football. We got 2 2013 Topps Football. Oh, this is all football, of course. I don't know why I keep saying football. 2013 Prestige. Bowman Chrome. And 2 2014 Rookies and Stars. Alright, let's go ahead and start with the lower end product with Leaf. Just go ahead and get that out of the way. We'll save the Bowman Chrome for last because I like Chrome. And we'll just do it in that order right here. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into our first 2 packs of the 2015 Leaf Draft. Figure this would be a pretty cool break. See what we can pull. I need to go ahead and get me some boxes of Prism, because those boxes look really good this year. We got Drez Anderson, Ifro Ekipre Olomogo, PJ Williams Gold, Marcus Mariota. That's a pretty nice card. And another Marcus Mariota. So we got, wait, is this a variation? It must be a variation or something. I don't know. Maybe not. They're both the same. 2 different card numbers. So we've got 2 Marcus Mariotas out of that pack. Pretty cool. I'll go ahead and get on to the next 2015 Leaf Draft pack. Philip Dorsett, Clive Wolford, Sean Mangold, Cody Fajardo, and another Marcus Mariota. Got 3 Marcus Mariotas out of, I think, 10 cards. Alright, on to our 2013 Prestige pack. Miles Austin, Jaquiz Rogers, rookie Nile Davis, LaShawn McCoy, and Dustin Keller. Alright, now we're on to our 2013 Topps with a rookie card in every pack. Start out with an Andy Lee, Michael Crabtree, Colin Kaepernick, Antonio Brown, Phillip Rivers. We got a gold Greg Jennings. That's out of 2013, I believe. Yeah, serial number out of 2013. A mini of Navarro Bowman. Zach Stacy rookie. Bargivas Mingo rookie. That's a nice rookie there. DeAndre Hopkins. Cordell Patterson. Rookie. And then Doug Martin. Alright, on to our next down 13 Topps. Crabtree had a big catch for the Raiders this weekend. to get him in a field goal position. Really big catch, and he also drew a pass interference on that play too. Got a Mike Williams, Andre Johnson, Ndamukong Suh, Russell Wilson, Roddy White, 4,000 Yard Club Matt Ryan. Got an Anquan Bolden, Legends in the Making. Pretty nice card right there. I like that. Pretty cool looking card. We got Fred Jackson, Tyler Wilson rookie, Alex Okafor rookie, Jarius Byrd, and Luke Kuechly. Nice. Alright, now on to our Channel 14 Rookies and Stars pack. We got 2 of these. And our last pack is Bowman Chrome. Well, if I can get this pack open. There's a nice rookie. Jadeveon Clowney, Dre Archer, David Fales, Cody Latimer, Sammy Watkins, Brandon Flowers, Town 14 Pro Bowl. Nice. DeMarco Murray, Justin Blackmon, Dennis Pitta, and Tom Brady. One more pack of this, then I'll try Bowman. Jason Morrow rookie, Devonta Freeman, Daquizzi Leonard, Charles Sims, Brett Smith. Oh, what is this? Darrelle Revis. Crusade. Nice. Nice and shiny card. Larry Fitzgerald, Drew Brees, Julio Jones, and Jordy Nelson. And on to our last and final pack. We got some nice rookies and some nice inserts out here. And we also got that one serial number card out of Channel 13 Topps. On to our Bowman Chrome. I don't think we got any hobby packs, and I think these are all retail, so. Haiole Kikaha, rookie. Probably didn't pronounce that right. PJ Williams, rookie. Javoris Allen, rookie. Eli Harold, rookie. Jarvis Landry, Demarius Thomas, and Isaiah Crowell. Nice. So that was not too bad. Not too bad of a break. Got some nice inserts. Got some nice serial number cards. We got a whole bunch of rookie cards. So I figured I'd give that a shot. Before I go ahead and get on to Prism, I need to pick up a box of Prism. Or a couple boxes of Prism, because from what I've seen, they've been really good, and the product looks really good this year. So I need to go ahead and get onto that and get those boxes. But figured I'd give 4th and Goal a try this year. And like I said, not too bad. I got a serial number, a couple inserts, and a whole bunch of rookie cards. So I think that's been it for this video, guys. And this has been Cardboard Seller. I hope you guys enjoyed.